What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mikael Rises back with another video. Today, as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be talking about what I don't like about school. Let's get straight into the video. So, school is I really not liking school, guys, because I feel like school isn't meant for everybody, but everyone must do school. And it doesn't make sense for me because why must everyone do school when like everyone is not the same? Not everyone wants to have a job and so on. Not everyone wants to be like a lawyer, whatever. Some people just wanna, be something different. You get what I'm saying? So then it's almost like they put like school as the only way that you're gonna be successful. Only way that you're gonna get the moolah money. So that's one thing I don't like, and also the fact that you have to do it. But I understand it's school, no? Like, okay, this video is gonna be how I feel about school. So school, I understand that school can be like school is goodness sometimes. Like sometimes you learn about like quiet things, like good things, interesting things, and then you check to yourself, okay, they talking about this and it makes sense and it's nice. Some people like it. I do like certain subjects. I like it and I like, being there. But then it comes to like English, Afrikaans, LO, yo, then you just lose me there. Because at this point, why am I doing that subjects? Why am I learning Afrikaans and English? I think languages I can already speak. Why am I learning about um life orientation? Why? Why do I need to learn? Okay, I understand that life orientation they teach you about life, but come on, bro, like it's not for me. Like I'm learning about like why like HIV and stuff again. Like come on, bro. Like you you get what I'm saying? And then math, bro. Whoa, 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 whoa. Math is crazy. Why do I have to learn A to the power of 2, my bro? Doe zijn gedachten alsjeblieft. Please guys. Why, bro? Because and I don't see how this gonna help me in my future. Like I don't know where that's gonna like A to the power of 2 is gonna help me in my future. So like yeah guys, man, like just help. Can't even ask you to help me because the only way you guys can help me is if you like the videos. Because I see you guys watch a lot of videos, but you guys don't like. But it's fine. Don't force. You know what they say? Don't force it because it doesn't like it. But yeah, man, in school, like I feel like ah, there should be like other like stuff, like maybe like a school for like streamers, content creators, and so. But obviously there is like streamer university. But I mean, like you found what I'm saying. Like okay, maybe I feel like okay, there is schools like I know a friend that goes to like a I don't know what you call it, it's like hands on and so on. But is there type of schools? But we don't. I don't think there's any in South Africa, or like government stuff where it's like they don't charge you that much or whatever. But you are guys. Sometimes school is good because it teaches you like stuff and it makes your brain think, man. And some burros or some people will say nah, they don't want to go to school, but then what do they do? What do they do otherwise other than school? Like come on, bro. Like what is happening there? But anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell to get my videos, please, guys. And let's get this video to 1 like, just one, please. I thank you guys for watching. It's your boy Mikael Rises, Mikail Rises, and peace.